Chris, no, you enjoy the view. Okay, here we are.
Watch out, man! Whoa!
Oh!
Watch out, man!
The wall! Whoa!
Take a picture of the view.
I got a picture of the view. How do you live up here? Crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at that view. Amazing. Here we go. Whoa.
Look at that house. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
You know, Scott's showing me all this on YouTube, and it's nothing like seeing it in person.
Now we got our own video.
Beautiful.
That's
what
tough.
a town. Or city. Look at that blue house.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Chinese guy.
Bougainvillea.
Yeah. You gotta walk it backwards. That's good walking backwards.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Some guy walking backwards.
Hey, I'm out of it. I'm just about done. What do you say?
I'm out of it. I'm just about done. Woo. Nice place. What do these places cost? You can't.
Millions.
Millions.
Market price. Okay.
At the end. That was fun.
Stop.